Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark from a Gamma presentation. Super easy, step by step. So yeah, here I've got a presentation, and the first thing I'm going to do is just export it as a PowerPoint file real quick. Once you've got that PPT file, go ahead and open it up. You'll see there's this little Gamma watermark sitting down at the bottom right corner, and we don't really want that there. To get rid of it, just head over to the Insert tab at the top, click on Shape, and pick the Square or Rectangle option. Now just draw a square right over the watermark. Next, we got to make it match the background so it blends in. Click on Shape Fill, then go to More Fill Colors, grab the eyedropper, and just click on the background to match the color. Boom, it should blend right in and hide the watermark. But wait, there's still this little outline around the shape, which looks kinda off. So just click on Shape Outline and hit No Outline, and now it's clean. And that's pretty much it. The watermark's gone. Just copy that shape and paste it onto the other slides where the watermark shows up. So yeah, that's how you remove the watermark from a Gamma presentation. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.